My name is Marinela, and today I am going to talk about how to develop plastic bag and to ecological path. You have to follow this step to do it. First, watch videos on YouTube regardless to the topic. Second, collect the plastic bottle from the garbage. Third, wash the plastic bottle. Then, dry them. After, trim them with a scalpel. After that, shape them with scissors. Then, glue them with silicone. Next, color them with vinyls. Afterward, put a plant into the ecological path. And finally, put compost into the ecological path. Thank you very much.